have slain an enemy. Killing spree.
Christian yung sinaing mo.
Wait lang.
Mega kill.
2 hours later.
Ano yung amoy sunog?
Ay, may sanayin ko pala andun.
Kaka-computer mo yan.
Ay. Ano? Ay, sino to? Sino to? Tara, 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 tara! Tara! Ay, anong oras na? Kalimutan ko na mag-review. Grabe. Anong oras na? Ganun pa ba ako? Ano ba to? Hindi, bukas na lang. Tutulog na ako. Grabe.
Have you ever sat down for 5 minutes and suddenly it's dark outside? Have you ever felt like your thumb has a mind of its own? Are you using your phone or is your phone using you? If you've been noticing that social media is taking your time or killing your productivity, you are not alone. That's social media addiction. But wait, it's not yet too late. Consider this as your official wake-up call. Join us as we delve deeper into the factors, effect, and solution to help you reconnect with the real world. Let's go!